This not so good to look at. Heavy rains led to some major street flooding in Galveston earlier this morning. Take a look at this video as cars driving through some high waters on Harborside near 45 by the cruise terminal. Some drivers were left stranded.
When I turned on Church Street, that street was like the car in front of me got through it, but it was all the way up to the car door here, and my car just quit, just stopped. But a good Samaritan, nice guy, I guess he lived around here, had a rope and a tow and got me out the water, so I'm just waiting on some roadside assistance.